Oh, what's up, y'all? Stixx Picks here, back in the video, the Stockton flea market. I'm picking video. Over here, we're selling. Everybody's selling. Just finished unloading. And yeah, come see what we can find.
Jack, how much for everything?
What's up, George?
Hey, Michael, how you doing, sir?
I'm alright, I'm alright.
How y'all doing?
Call me your sister.
Yeah, yes, sir. What's up, George?
I did.
We're chilling.
Call me something earlier.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright, just trying to find stuff to sell. It's pretty dry out here today, looks like. It's Morgan Dollar right there, if you know them, Kara. You didn't know that, by the way. Morgan Dollar. You know that?
Yeah, it's a silver dollar.
This?
Yeah.
Is that not a Morgan Dollar? Morgan Dollar are silver dollars, by the way. But it's a Morgan Dollar, it should be. Yeah, it is. It's from 1890. Yo, how much for your Morgan Dollars?
Different price?
How much for this one, I guess?
Oh, it's 45.
45?
Yeah. Give me 40.
Alright, I'll think about it. How much on the ring? You don't know how much? $2? Yeah. How much for this one? Same thing? How much? I think I'm gonna get more than one. CPAs. Oh, these look fake, don't they? Yeah, so they look fake. Oh, you can tell by that too.
That one's real. Oh, no.
No, these are all fake. Oh, these ones are. Hey, remember that card we got?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Look at him, Kara. Isn't that good?
Yeah, it's not.
That one's a real card. There you go. Thank you.
Razor.
I don't know what this
Isn't it a
is.
good brand?
Yeah. I don't know what this is.
It's a gigantic mouse pad.
Is this the mouse too?
Oh, yeah, it comes with the mouse.
That's a mouse and a pad, brand new. Someone just tried to open it, look in and see if it was new. I'm like, yeah, they're sealed. There's like 10 of them. These are my last 2.
How much for all these cards?
I'll do 30 on them. There's 70s, 80s in there. There's Bradshaws. There's a couple of really good ones. Probably
Alright.
about top 4 cards will pay for itself. Plus all, you know, after that, it's all gravy after that.
Messed up box.
Yeah, box messed up, don't sell well. At all. There's one right here, too.
Did you look it up?
No, you got a messed up box, it won't sell.
Sure they will. Someone's messed up box.
I know, but the collectors only want good boxes. That's the whole point of collecting them. You're not a real Funko collector.
You're not a real Funko collector.
It's not a fucking collector.
These 2 are mine already, but I already bought these 2 before I came in, so I don't think I'm stealing them.
These 2, 5, and this one you can get it for 3.
How much for this one?
Yes, I can't see what it says. 5? What's that?
How much is this one?
This one is 4. I need to find one more. How many do you have, Mikey?
4. How much are all these? How much this one too? Can I put it in with it?
That one's 5.
Alright, yeah, I'll put it in with it.
25, 30.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Alright, y'all, we're back at the stall after picking for a little bit. You said that? $2. Wait. How much for all of this? Oh, or just this? Yeah, $2. Yeah. Thank you.
You got $1 there worth of quarters.
$10. Bro. I got these. I got 8 rings in total for $34. It's a pretty solid deal. Most of them are silver. I said 18K HGE. Solid rings though. Definitely get profit. It's a very dry flea market day, to say the least. I definitely say that a lot while I'm here. I am now. What's up?
Well, it's important that you learn to make mistakes because failure is the key to success. If you can't make mistakes, you will never succeed. But that kind of deal, if it was me shopping, I would have held out for the time. I would have got all that for $5.
Yeah, I thought I did so, because like half of them were $9.25 though too.
Oh, the 925s are good.
Silver, yeah.
Mike.
What?
$1.20.
$1. Everything over here is $1. Everything over here is $1 besides the totes and the garbage cans. $1. Get over here for $1. There you go.
A lot of work fixing that.
It works though. Me and my dad were playing it a little bit ago.
You're kidding, that works?
Yeah, it works. Yeah, we were playing it. Me and my dad were playing a couple games. That's $1 too, right? The ladder? $1? Should be, yeah, everything's $1. $1. Probably the dollar away. I don't want to take in that.
$1.
Should be, yeah. Dad, is there any item I should? You said everything is $1, pretty much. Like.
$1. See, I'm taking those shelves home with me. Those 2 white ones.
All right.
$1.
Yeah, it's been a while since we were here, like a month or something like that.
I saw you over at
Airport.
and so you said you were interested.
Yo, do you have any real Evolutions packs?
Nah, just those.
Dang.
For kids.
Yeah.
That's
I
probably
like
wrong.
Evolutions, but I never find any.
Yeah, no,
packs.
they don't have the real deal out here.
Yeah, I know.
I do get them here and there.
Yeah.
These are real. These are real, but.
All right. Yeah, I just like doing like Pokemon openings for my video.
Yeah.
Getting like one.
You're uploading it to YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
I just made it. Stixx Picks. STIXX and Picks.
I come out in a lot of videos. I got a friend who does it too, and
Oh really?
they pop up on my feed randomly, and I'm like, oh hey, that's me.
Yeah, it's funny.
See you later, man.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you too. Let me know if you find any real Pokemon packs. I'm here every week, so
Yeah.
let me know. I see your ass.
Oh, necesita 4.
What's going on? What's going on?
What's he doing, man? Electric one.
Man, it's good enough.
Right.
It's dry out here.
Yeah.
I didn't find nothing when I was walking around. I didn't find, not that much at least.
It's
Found a little bit, but
it's rough today.
yeah, I don't know why. I feel like Conker's been in this.
It's Monday, Thursdays. Wednesday's a gamble.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Well, people just they usually bring their stuff Wednesday, sir.
Free, free, free. Everything is free but the plastic totes and the garbage. Free, free, free. Take what you want. Everything's free but the garbage cans and the totes. Free, free, free. Got some furniture, you know, we got boxes, some more furniture. We got random stuff. We got some bikes even. Everything is free, y'all. Everything is free. Please don't make a mess, is all we really ask.
Jack, shout out.
Perfect, yes, me my outro. All right, guys, thank you for watching Stixx Picks here. And thank you for watching the outro, especially. I love you. And I don't think I've shown them, but locker nuts, you guys definitely know them by now. We got locker nuts, Jack, storage auction parties in every video. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.